Everyone's heard about apple cider vinegar, green tea, or lemon water for fat loss. I've tried them all, and honestly, they didn't do much for me. But then I came across an ancient seed-based drink, so simple yet so powerful, that it completely changed the game. My digestion improved, bloating disappeared, and the most shocking part? My stubborn belly fat started melting within just 7 days. What's fascinating is that this drink has been used for generations, long before fat-burning drinks became trendy. And now, science is finally proving why it works so well. In fact, there are more than 13 published studies showing its ingredients can support fat loss, especially around the belly area. So today, I'm sharing this nighttime seed drink, easy to make, scientifically backed, and designed to help your body burn fat while you sleep. Why common fat loss drinks don't always work. Apple cider vinegar. Great for some, but it often causes acidity or reflux for others. Lemon water? Refreshing, yes, but it didn't move the needle for my fat loss. That's because fat loss isn't just about drinking detox beverages. Real, lasting fat loss requires something deeper: metabolic harmony. What is metabolic harmony? Your body burns fat efficiently only when certain systems are in balance. Low evening cortisol, stress hormones at night can block fat burning. Stable blood sugar, evening sugar spikes prevent fat oxidation. Low inflammation, chronic inflammation slows metabolism. Research shows that when inflammation is reduced, blood sugar is steady, and the liver detoxifies effectively at night, fat burning switches on naturally. Why nighttime matters? Most people focus on morning routines for fat loss, but your body's real metabolic reset happens during the night. That's why this drink works so well. It targets digestion, inflammation, detox, and blood sugar all at once, right before bedtime. The 5 key ingredients in AMP, why they work. Coriander seeds, rich in quercetin and linalool. These compounds support liver detox, reduce inflammation, and improve gut health. Studies also suggest they help stabilize blood sugar. Fenugreek seeds contain galactomannan, a soluble fiber that curbs appetite, balances insulin, and mimics the effects of popular weight loss medications naturally. Fennel seeds, packed with inositol, which supports digestion, reduces bloating, and aids nutrient absorption, all crucial for fat loss. Cinnamon stick contains cinnamaldehyde, proven to enhance insulin sensitivity and stabilize blood sugar levels. Ginger, a natural anti-inflammatory that also boosts thermogenesis, your body's fat-burning process. How to make this drink? In the morning, soak 1 teaspoon coriander seeds and 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds in 1.5 cups of water. Let them soak for 10 to 12 hours. In the evening, add 1/2 cinnamon stick, 1/2 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1/2 inch grated ginger. Heat the mixture for 5 minutes on low flame, don't boil. Strain into a cup. When to drink? Enjoy 1 hour before bedtime. This gives your body time to absorb the nutrients so they can work overnight on digestion, detox, and blood sugar control. What to expect in 7 days, day 1 to 3. Less bloating in the morning, better sleep quality. Day 4 to 5. Reduced sugar cravings, more stable energy levels. Day 6 to 7. Noticeable changes in belly area tightness. Possible 2 to 3 pounds weight loss with consistency. If you already eat well during the day, this drink can be the missing piece to help you finally lose that stubborn fat. Pair it with balanced meals and you'll notice results faster. Try it for at least 2 weeks and see how your body responds. And if you're serious about losing fat and want a step-by-step meal plan with exact recipes, shopping lists, and daily schedules, check out the link in the description for my Fast Fat Loss training program. It's designed to help you burn fat without starving yourself or spending hours in the gym. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed diet tips.